Okay, now you see there are still sentences, right? Negative way of these sentences. Okay, so you see first one, 我不吃苹果. You see, we put the 不 to negate the present tense, right? 我不再吃苹果. This is the progressive tense, right? Use 不 to negate, right? Yeah, you see this sentence. 我没吃苹果. You see, use 没 to negate the past tense, right? Yeah, and use 没 to negate past tense with 过. You see? So let's see these sentences. What's the difference between these sentences? Okay, so you see, first one, 我不吃苹果. So what's the meaning? 我不吃苹果, which means in the past, now, and in the future, I don't eat apples. Okay? Yeah, so I don't eat apple in the past, now, and in the future. So I never eat it, right? Yeah, so this is 不吃苹果, okay? So you see, the second sentence, 我不再吃苹果. This is the progressive tense. Just means I'm not doing this action right now, right? Just right now, I'm not doing this, right? Maybe next time, right, I will do it, right? I will eat apple, right? But right now, I'm not doing this action, eating apple, right? Just a minute, right? Yeah. But first sentence, I don't eat apple means I never eat it, right? Yeah. So you see the third sentence, 我没吃苹果. This is the past tense. It means in the past, I didn't eat. But maybe tomorrow, I will eat it again, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I didn't eat it, but next time, I will eat it, right? Just means I didn't eat it. But next time, I will do it, right? Maybe I will do it, right? But you see the last sentence, 我没吃过苹果. You see, this is 过. So it emphasizes the experience. So 没吃过 means I don't have this experience of eating apple. Okay? Yeah. But maybe next time I will try to eat it, right? Just to emphasize I don't have this experience. Doesn't mean in the future I will never eat it, right? Maybe in the future I will try it, right? Yeah, so you see, 不吃 first sentence, 不吃. Past, no, in the future, I don't eat, right? Yeah, 不再吃, just not doing this action, right? Yeah, never means I will not eat in the future, right? Not that meaning, right? 没吃 means I didn't do it, right? Maybe next time I will do it, right? Yeah, just mean that. But last sentence, 没吃过. So it means I didn't have this experience, right? But maybe in the future, I will try it, right? Yeah, so you try to familiar with these four usage, okay? Negative way, okay? Yeah, so that's different meanings, okay? Yeah. Try to practice more, okay? Yeah. So let's quickly review. So we just done the two past pattern, right? Past tense pattern, right? We put the after verb, right? The verb after verb, which means action happened and completed. And the negative way of the past tense is may, right? May. Put may before the verb, right? 没吃, right? 没吃苹果, right? Yeah. And 没吃 means didn't do something, right? Yeah. So second pattern is we put 过 after verb, right? So which means action happened and finished, but the important thing is to show this is the experience, right? Experience. So which means this action will not happen in the future. Even happen, we'll do it in very few times, right? Negative way, it put may before this verb. And 过, right? 没吃过, right? Yeah. So try to remember these 2 points, okay? Yeah. So 没吃过 means I never done something, right? Yeah. 没吃 didn't do, right? Yeah. Okay. Not have this experience. Didn't do it, but maybe next time I do it, right? Here means I haven't have this experience, never have this experience, right? Before. Right? Maybe next time I'll try to do it, right? Try it, right? Yeah. So this is the past tense, okay? Yeah.